Resetting the UV lamp hours. When a UV lamp has been replaced, the lamp hours value must be reset. To reset the lamp hours, you must first log in as an installer. From the menu, go first to Settings and then to Log in. Log in as an installer using the code 1891. Enter the code using the plus and minus buttons. Confirm the code and your user level will change from user to installer. Then return to the main menu. From the main menu, go to the lamp menu. Select Reset Lamp Hours and confirm. The lamp hours will then be reset.